Alright guys, what's up? Hope you guys have a good week so far. Let me set up everything real quick. Nope, not that. Okay, cool. Nice. Alright, how we doing, man? How we doing? Alright. Let us jump into our analysis, shall we? Hold on. Alright, cool. So, looking off the daily here, I'm just gonna go off the daily and the weekly here. Looks like the weekly is about to flip here to come out create a top wick on the weekly here. You don't have a top wick on the weekly, but overall, you are the weekly close with no top wick. You are coming down, and for the rest of that range, of this range here that I'm looking at, because assuming that, like I've been saying, the monthly has no bottom wick, right? If for some reason the monthly flip and come down, that would be the bottom. That would be the bottom range on the weekly. But the fact that the weekly has no top wick, it's coming close to the weekly flip now. So the question is whether today or tomorrow. Now it's very close to the weekly candle close. So the question is whether the weekly will be able to flip and going up to create a top would be to grab liquidity before it's come down. So that's really down to it now. Let me going on to the daily. So daily, it's interesting, right? Because you closed bullish on the daily, you're coming up, you fill most of the range on the daily. Again, you still have no bottom wick here. You have no bottom wick here. So for you to continue to drive up, I'm assuming that you've got to create some kind of bottom wick at some point to grab liquidity before you continue to drive up. Because again, like, is that enough liquidity for you to continue to drive up? I mean, it can drive up, but then I'm assuming that you're gonna have to create some kind of bottom wick today. Like, if you flip on a daily coming down all the way down here, like 23.59, and then you flip and drive up, then yeah, sure, then you have liquidity to drive up. But right now on the daily, you still don't have a bottom wick. So I'm expecting a potential flip on the daily candle. If it does flip, then it'll be coming down for a daily bottom wick. If it was to drive content, and if it's like once the daily candle flips, create a bottom wick and then re-flip and re-break the high, you know exactly where it's gonna go, right? For the rest of that range on a daily here, I'm coming up to a set 91, 92. Going up towards this level right here. So that being said, let me jump on to the 4 hours candle. So 4 hour, you close above this level here. You're coming up here, you tapped exactly there. Cool. Let me mock it up real quick. Alright, let me jump onto the 1 hour. So 1 hour did not close above here, close expecting. It's actually bearish, it's coming down. Same with the 30 minutes as well. So if you are closing below this 30 minutes here, I'm assuming you're gonna come down towards this level right here to our left. There might be some potential sell here. Because I'm expecting if you are coming down, I'm expecting if you close below these level onto your left, like look left, where's your next clean traffic gonna be? Down here. Now you could take this range here, that's a 12 pips coming down for the rest of that range. The 30 minutes coming down for the wick here, which is very nice. I'll say like you got a range coming down towards these level on your left. $15 calls in 50 seconds here. Ideally, I would like to see is leave a small bottom wick before it's come down, but then if it's keep trickling down here, can't really say much. Yeah, I'm expecting like even for a daily to drive up, it will gonna need to create a bottom wick before it drives down. So let's see here. Okay, close no bottom wick. I can't really do much here. I really can't do much. Like, I've got to wait for a closure below 78 to even take the next sell coming down. But like, bear in mind that the forward is still bullish, yeah. Like if you close respecting this level right here, it's a little bit tough. Yep. Look at the 15 here. Is no bottom wick would define the 15. I'll start to reject now. Okay. Bear in mind the 4 hour still goes in bullish. Any given time this thing can continue to drive up towards the 86 here. So just be aware of it. Yeah, it was pretty chill today. yeah, this range is where you gotta stay out. Like, it's, you can't trade there. There's nothing to trade. Might be a little bit tough to trade now because you're probably gonna need to wait for the 30-minute candle closure, and then the 1 hour candle closure. 1 hour candle closure, it's closed bearish, yes, but for it to drive up, I would assume that you're gonna need to create a bottom wick down here. So for you to drive up, I'm assuming you're gonna need to break all this low to grab liquidity before you drive up, and same goes with if you drive up as well. But look at the 4 hours. The 4 hour could just close respecting this level of support resistance right here, and the next 4 hours just literally just prop up after creating a bottom wick. So I don't think, in terms of trading for the London session, it might be a little bit dry until the 4 hour kind of closure here. Because this range, you don't want to be in it. The only trade I could think to take is a 30 minutes candle wick fill, which I kind of took before I come on the trade, come on the stream, but I got break even due because this fire coming down here, no bottom wick coming up before it's coming down. Let's watch YouTube here because I don't think we're gonna get to it. This I wouldn't trade in this zone anyway. So I'm gonna leave my chart in the background. If I do see an opportunity, and I'm still here, I'll take the trade. I'll show you guys. Alright, let's watch the bounce. Kaffa's top again. Oh. I love this guy, innovation. He's always invents for new shit. But Kaffa's top is not really new, but Kaffa's can be played anywhere, to be honest. Oh, my scan. Oh no. Uh, okay, 1 hour kind of closing here. Close better still. Okay, 3 deaths. Pretty calm. 8 minutes. Oh, that was close. Bruh.
She was probably already dead, but whatever. I'm on the board. Hey, yo, what the fuck?
Don't die to that. Oh, he didn't
Huh?
die. Oh, shit.
CC that bitch. Nice.
That was clean dodge, man.
Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. I gotta get out of here. Don't let him stop my back. Please. Please.
Oh no, he's baited entire team. Fuck. Alright, 1 hour kind of closed. Let's see how you close. Okay. You close
Yes, sir.
below bearish.
I'll do it.
15 kind of close bullish.
Hey, yo.
Now it's right down to the 4 hours. I can't trade in that range.
On me.
I really can't trade in that range, guys. It's still.
Oh, I got to go.
Wait, I must.
I'll do it. Hey, yo. On me. Boom. Oh, I got to go. Nice. On the pie car. Hey, yo, my mana. Hello? Who's one? Oh. Yeah, good combo. I start off the fight with my ulti, they all get low, and then Pike will execute them all with his ulti. It's a good combo. Should I use it now? I don't think the fight has started yet. I don't even think I need to join the fight, honestly. I keep Lucian on me. We will win. I missed the ulting. Boom. The idea is now that the enemy team has to give the dragon, because they're so low on health. That's the big value of playing Cardus, is dealing 500 damage to everyone before an objective is a game changer. That's why Cardus is so OP. Whether you get kills or not during the ulti, that's kind of irrelevant. Nah, he flashed. Nah. You're gonna get the Baron. Is that what I'm seeing? That's not very good. I'm scared, Lucian. that means that unless I use it immediately when it comes back on cooldown immediately, I will not use it in the dragon fights. Even if I see a free kill, I will not use it. I use it to secure the soul. Gonna have to work for it, guys. Nah, I don't think they had to work that hard for it. Ah,
Oh, this is but he died.
is that what I'm seeing? That's what they look. Scared, Lucian. Oh my god, I didn't even do it. I just fucking tapped his ass. We're playing for the soul, obviously, the winning game, the winning game con. This game is the soul. I will this up in 1 minute, and it has a 1.5 minute CD. That means that unless I use it immediately when it comes back on cooldown immediately, I will not use it in the dragon fights. Even if I see a free kill, I will not use it. I use it to secure the soul. Gonna have to work for it, guys. Nah, I don't think they had to work that hard.
Gonna have to work for it, guys.
Ah.
They just one tapped him. Bruh.
I think I'm gonna catch this wave. I'm gonna catch the next wave, and I'm gonna TP bot and catch 2 waves there, and that will hit me 16. The straight is spawning 20, so it might be a little bit tight on time. But 15 seconds, it's gonna be hard. I'm gonna have to insta TP bot here.
Yeah, he had 16 on that wave.
Okay, I hit it. It's gonna deal damage. Didn't deal that much. It was good though, it was good. Wow, triple kill.
Carthus is such an unfair champion, man. Free items, just farm free items, doesn't even need to do anything, just press R before any objectives.
I have a shot.
And everyone just half health. Such an unfair champion, bro.
Staff. Probably void stuff, yeah. They don't have Enmar, but it's still worth it. Yeah, Leander is fine, but
Oh,
I
Svar
only
flipped.
pick cards
Okay.
this game is because they're all squishy champions. And when they're all squishy champions burn, Leander is not as good.
Nice, nice.
I think I'm gonna ultimate this. Bitch.
Wait, what?
Wow, triple kill.
Now the question is this still a bot? Was that all of that? Is this a bottom on a 4 hours for you to drive up here?
Void staff. Probably void stuff, yeah. They don't have Enmar, but it's still worth it. Yeah, Leander is fine, but the only reason I pick Cardus this game is because they're all squishy champions. And when they're all squishy champions burn, Leander is not as good.
Far flip now. Which is very nice.
I think I'm gonna ultimate this.
Yeah, I guess the daily just gotta go up and fold the rest so that range in now. Without a bottom wick here, because this looks like it might just do that. Once it taps 86 here, it might start to. Well, I didn't even see that ending.
Next item, usually void stuff. Probably voids that, yeah, they don't have M1, but it's still worth it. Yeah, Leandro is fine, but the only reason I pick cards this game is because they're all squishy champions. And when they're all squishy champions burn, Leandro is not as good.
You know what I'm gonna do here, chat? I'm gonna have a buy stop. The 5 just closed, no top wick.
Bitch.
Just on the rebreak the high on the 4, because I'm assuming you are just got that. It's literally a bottom wick on the 4 for you to drive up here.
GG.
And targets to us at 86. Break even would be like 84. Right, so once you tap there, 84, you'll be fine. But I'm assuming that like the 4 hours, like you spend all the time to create this bottom wick for it to come up and re-break the high. I'm assuming you're just gonna drive up here. From the break the high towards that is 7 pips. Hold on, let me change my Alright, I'm in buy here, right? Because I'm assuming you're just gonna drive up. Yeah, just gonna drive up here. If you spend all that time to create a bottom wick on a 4, I'm assuming you are gonna drive up and just fill the rest of that range on a daily here. Because daily you have clean traffic to drive up towards like 86. Or even fill the rest of that wick here on the daily. So we see here. The next minor zone is at 85. But I don't see you struggle until you tap towards 86 here. I'll let you guys know when I go break even. I'm assuming you're just gonna drive all the way up here. After spend 3 hours create this bottom wick for you to come up and re-break the high. 15 candle close here. So wait for 15 bottom wick before it comes up. Do, 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 do. Alright. Now is the hard part, is wait for the bottom wick for the 15 before it's come up and re-break the high. Entry slightly late though, because the re-break the high is here, but it's like 1 pip. Or the 15 flip here. That's a 4 flip again. I didn't think if you spend all that time to create this bottom wick and then come up, re-break the high, you're actually going to come down here. If this 5 candle closes back inside a range, I will look to manage my risk here. Looks like you are. Looks like you are closing back inside the range here. So you know what I'll do here, chat? I'll close my position here. If I close back inside the range here, I'm assuming that is a fake out. Because if you are coming back up and close above 23.37 here, then yeah, sure, you can drive up, but with the 5 close back inside the range, it's a little bit tough for me. With the 1 hour still better. This could still be the top wick for you to drive down. I'm gonna have a sell stop on the rebreak of the low of the 15 here, because I'm assuming that if you rebreak the low and that if that is a fake out, then you should continue to drive down towards these level right here, 78. Sell all. Not yet, not yet. I have my sell stop on the rebreak the low on the 15 here. If this is a fake out, this 15 should continue to drive all the way down to a 78. So we see the 5 candle closed back inside range though, so that's something. But on the rebreak the low, I have a sell stop here on the rebreak the low. Let me update trade today. Not one. One is that free. This 5 could easily just drive down here, because that's could be the top wick on the 5. We're about to hit sell stop here. If this 15 come down, rebreak this zone low. Alright, so that's sell stop activated. I'm assuming that you should be able to flip the 1 hour candle flip. That should be your break even level. And from there to there, it's like 6 pips advantage. I should actually extend my TP actually, because once a fake out happen, you should look for it to come down all the way towards minimum 77 here. But once a 1 hour candle flip, That's our break-even point. With the 30 minutes as well. For 30 minutes, we might just close in 3 minutes here. Can you flip here? The 1 hour candle come very close to the flip though. You know what I'm gonna do here? I move stop loss into break even, right? Because look left, you got a minor resistance here on the 5. So just be careful. Goes through here, 4 pips, but like look, the 1 hour could flip here, yeah? But look left, even though the 1 hour is nearly flipped, look left, you have a minor resistance here, support here. So it's very tough for you to continue to leave in that trade because the 30 minutes is going to close bullish. There's no direction just yet, but the 30 minutes gonna close bullish, and if it does close bullish in 1 minute here, the next 30 minutes can easily just come up and fill the rest of that wick. So it's very tough position to be in. But yeah, man, that's the trade for today. Let's see how the 30 minutes kind of close here. Like the 30 minutes, if it was to flip, it would have flipped then, but it had only 3 minutes left, and it looks on a 5 minute still respecting this level right here. So it's very tough for you to continue to stay on that trade. You would have had break even if you didn't close early there, for sure. Now this is where things get interesting, because it's really down to how the 4 hour candle closure here. Because I'm assuming that if you continue to drive up, you're going to need to grab liquidity down here. Look at the daily, you still not got a bottom wick on the daily though. So it's very, very tough day. Like the 5 definitely come back inside range. Like this 1 hour can definitely flip. I'm not saying it can't flip, but just look at the 4 minutes. I'm assuming that if you flip on a 1 hour, you come down, break the low on a 30 minutes, and for some reason you're gonna respect that support and flip on the 30 minutes and come up, and for the rest of the range you'll be in big trouble. Now look at the 5, still respecting this level right here. I'll say though, what I'll do now, I'll probably wait for the 4 hour candle closure, and then wait for the opening of the next 4 hour candle closure. You could take, now there's 2 things you could look to take here. Depends on how the opening of the next 4 hour candle closure. If you come down first, and for me to take a buy, I would need a bottom wick coming down here before you come up, because like, look at the daily, you still not got a bottom wick. So that for you to continue to drive up, I'm assuming you're going to come down here, create a bottom wick before you come up, but you're already driving up most of the range now. It's very, very tough for me to take a buy anyway, off of that reason. So the 15 coming back, goes back inside range, nice, cool. I'm going to put it here. Okay, that's cool, but then that means nothing, because the 30 minutes can just continue to come up and follow that range right here, and the 1 hour could still flip. So you really want to avoid this kind of range. Like, there's no direction, it's literally just big massive range, and this zone right here, you don't really want to stay for too long. But yeah, I think I might call it a day, to be honest. Kind of break even trade for today for me. So I think I might just dip off here. But if you guys continue to trade, make sure you have stop loss. Make sure you follow your plan. Make sure you have a plan before you go in. And that's it, yeah. What time was that? Alright, that's me finishing journaling. If you guys continue to trade, good luck. Make sure you follow your plan. Make sure you do everything that you always been doing. Alright. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys next time. Alright.